Hello and welcome. My name is Nadeem Abbas on behalf of BIM Beyond Borders. Today I am hosting Dr. Vitali, our AI expert of the field, specifically in BIM.
I'm a civil engineer. I would say like 2 years ago, the AI emerged with large language model came to the market. But then, I think this year it's more and more AI going into the construction domain. And now I'm really much involved in this, advocating for bringing AI technology to the industry.
How AI can impact the BIM workflow in near future, or is it impacting?
BIM workflows, they're quite sophisticated, but AI will make it very quickly, efficient.
If someone wants to transform themselves to BIM and AI, what are your advice?
Simply go.
And
Just try.
there is a lot going on, and further more industry experts will be joining us soon. So being updated, please subscribe the channel.